What Causes Seasons by
Chee, Haruki.
and Isabella.
Many people have misconceptions that the Earth is moving closer to the sun, so it gets hot, and gets further from the sun, so it gets cold or causes winter. But that's actually not true. Seasons are caused as the Earth tilted on its axis, revolving around the sun in an elliptic orbit.
Whichever hemisphere is tilted towards the sun gets direct sun ray, which causes summer. But the other half of the hemisphere becomes winter because the sun ray is spread out by the atmosphere, so the light hits at an angle at the poles. Solstice happens once in both winter and summer. It is when the sun is up high in the sky at a 23.5-degree angle.
Autumn and spring are both in between winter and summer, so they have a similar temperature. However, autumn is slightly colder than spring. During autumn and spring, one side of the hemisphere is in between, facing the sun, and not facing the sun. That's why spring and autumn is between hot and cold. An equinox happens both in autumn and spring. In an equinox, the days are similar in length, and the noon sun is directly overhead. The vernal equinox, or spring equinox, marks the beginning of spring in the northern hemisphere. The autumnal equinox marks the beginning of fall in the northern hemisphere.
There are no seasons around the equator because the sun ray hits at mostly the same angle each day. So the place around the equator gets similar amount of light each day. That's why there are no seasons in the equator.
Citations.
Thank you for listening.